So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Pfizer stock, ticker symbol PFE in Canada, here on the Wealthsimple application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass or the discover screen. Once you're here, go to the top and press on the search bar. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol PFE. For Pfizer, so Pfizer Inc is the top option right here. Press on that right there. Now to purchase shares of Pfizer, go to the bottom and press on buy, and then press on stocks. Now I'm on fractional buy right now, but if you want to change that, simply just press on fractional buy, and then you have the option to market buy it, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you guys decide to do. Those are your options. Now for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and press on $2 right here. Keep in mind this is in USD, not CAD, so keep that in mind when you're doing a purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue once I'm done. Now, before you confirm your order, just check to make sure that you are aware of how much you're actually buying it for. So for me, in this demonstration, the estimated cost is $2.72 Canadian with the exchange rate and the conversion fee. But once that is done, press a confirm order at the bottom to confirm your purchase, and there you go. That is how to buy Pfizer stock, ticker symbol PFE in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.